This complete car audio system brings together the main components needed for a full speaker and amplifier upgrade in one package. The packaging gives a clear look at everything included before installation begins. As everything is unpacked, each part can be seen individually, giving a better look at the complete system. The kit includes 2 speaker mounting adapters along with a pair of 6.5-inch coaxial speakers. The speakers feature integrated tweeters, a durable build, and a clean finish, while the adapters help fit them into compatible factory speaker locations. The amplifier has a solid aluminum housing with built-in cooling fins and clearly labeled inputs, outputs, and adjustment controls, helping keep every connection organized during installation. The user manual provides connection diagrams and helpful information for identifying each component. A complete wiring kit is also included with a power cable, ground cable, RCA cable, speaker wire, an inline fuse holder, fuse, connectors, ring terminals, mounting screws, and additional installation hardware. With every component laid out together, the complete system can be seen at a glance before installation begins. From the amplifier and speakers to the wiring kit, mounting adapters, and connection hardware, everything is neatly arranged and organized before putting the system together.